You've been struggling to manifest more money. Let me hypnotize you to make it easier for money to come into your life. Do not engage with this video if you are driving or distracted. If that's the case, double tap the screen and save it for later. With that, let's get you the money you've been manifesting. Go ahead and just find a place to either sit or lie down. And just allow yourself to relax for a moment. I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just allow yourself to get nice and comfortable wherever you are. Remembering there's no right or wrong way to experience this process today. Whatever you feel, whatever you see, whatever you experience is exactly right for you. And with your eyes closed, you'll find it gets easier and easier to just focus on the sound of my voice. Every word I say is going to guide you further and deeper into this experience. The cool part about this is all you have to do is follow some very simple instructions and just do your best to imagine whatever it is I ask you to imagine. For example, I'd like you to imagine a door in front of you. I don't know what color this door will be. I don't know what size it is. I don't know what it's made out of. But in your mind's eye, imagine a door out in the space in front of you. And in a moment, I'm going to count down from 3 down to 1. And on 1, imagine opening that door, stepping through that door into the near future where there you are with that amount of money you've been manifesting. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Opening that door, stepping into a beautiful scene in the near future where there you are already having manifested that money. Be there, no matter what the amount of money is, be there having it, noticing what that represents in your life now. Maybe it's financial freedom, maybe it's safety and security. There's something that money represents to you. Maybe you could even be there spending that money on your loved ones, buying that thing you've been dreaming about buying. And as you do those things with that money you've been manifesting, notice what that feeling is inside of you. Notice how that amount of money makes you feel. And as you feel those good, positive sensations of having that money and having that financial freedom, go ahead and just ride that to future events where there you are buying other things, giving people money, helping others, providing for your family. Run through as many possibilities in your mind as you possibly can right now, realizing you're giving your brain the blueprint to actually get you that money and put you in those situations. And you're doing this at a neurological level because from this day forward, you're going to find that it's easy for you to be aware of any and all opportunities that are going to benefit you. You find it easy to take action. You find it easy to seize those opportunities. And you start seeing these opportunities to make money and attract money more than ever before. Each and every day, you are going to become a money magnet. The harder you try to keep money away from you, the closer and more abundant it will be. And those feelings of abundance are going to stay with you and draw more money into your life, allow you to help more people, provide for more people, and have everything you've been manifesting. So hold on to that feeling, because in a moment, I'm going to count up from 1 up to 5. With every number, that feeling is going to get stronger. On 4, specifically at 4, your eyes will open. And on 5, you're going to have a new awareness about you that you are a money-seeking machine. You are a money magnet. Everything you do, everything you feel, everything you think is going to align with your money manifestation. So get ready. 1, letting those feelings rise on up. 2, those feelings of abundance and financial independence. 3, realizing what that money means for you. 4, eyes open, feeling incredible, feeling energized. 5, wide awake, ready to get that money.